We're going to check in with April Rose.
Hey, look, I'm standing with a car that's going to go across tomorrow on Super Saturday. 1958 Corvette. Now in 58, they got a lot of jewelry. We've got 9 teeth across the front, the quad headlights, beautiful stainless trim all the way down the tops of the fenders. I love the white coves here with the red body. Such a cool look. 1 year only for these suspenders. And of course, the exhaust exits right out the back bumper there. Now it's got the 283, 345 horsepower, 2-speed power glide transmission, and inside it's all restored to original condition. Just a really cool placement for that tack right there in front of the driver. You know, Rick, it's just great to see a true collectible like this that hasn't been customized, true to when it came off the assembly line.
Yeah, I love that. Beautifully done. Look forward to seeing that cross the block tomorrow. 1958 Corvette.
Well, something new for 1958 was the quad headlamps, seen on a handful of cars in 57, but the Detroit automakers lobbied the various states, as did the Society of Automotive Engineers, for the superior lighting qualities of 4 lights, and voila, here we have them. They never go away on Corvette.
2 unique to 1958 styling touches, these imitation louvers in the fiberglass hood. They're called the washboard because, well, you see. And also these tusks, these stainless steel tusks on the trunk. Those were 1958 only styling touches on Corvette.
Now inside, between the front buckets, what looks like the shift knob for a 3 or 4 speed. Well, look at that. It says neutral reverse park. That is the Power Glide automatic. 2 speeds, but again, if you couldn't drive a stick, well, you got the Power Glide instead.
Gotta be tuned, my friend.
All kinds of interest in this one. We got an internet bidder, we got a phone bidder. I know there's a bidder out on the floor as well.
Now, pilots are concerned not with miles that their plane's engines have turned, but engine hours. GM added that feature to the Corvette. The biggest and largest instrument in the binnacle is the speedometer, and as is tradition with most all cars, within the speedometer is the odometer that shows how many miles this car has traveled. But in the tachometer, which measures engine speed, there is also a gauge, and that's how many hours that engine has been operated since its last overhaul or since it was new.
93, want to be 5?
And it goes without saying, of course, this is a fiberglass body, which of course was a revelation in Detroit, and Chevrolet debuted that in 1953, and ever since, all Corvettes have had some sort of a plastic composite body for lightweight.
Signet red and white and bringing big bucks. We're over $100,000. We still have that phone bidder in. We still got a floor bidder in.
27 years of maintenance records come with this Corvette. That kind of provenance, that's hard to beat.
Talk about the art of the exhaust tip. You see them here poking out through the ends of the exhaust, or the bumpers, and very artful effect. And dual exhaust means you had a V8 on board. That was a big deal in the 50s, as it is now.
No one wants to give up on this thing. They just keep going. I thought we were going to stall below 100,000. We're at 127.
Well, that's every consignor's dream, is 2 committed bidders that each refuse to lose.
Well, there it goes, $130,000 for a 1958 Corvette, beautifully restored, 283 cubic inch, 2-speed Power Glide automatic transmission, resale red as we call it, and it just sold here at Barrett-Jackson for $130,000.